Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to be filming for you just a really peaceful nighttime bedtime routine just to kind of show you what we do. This particular day we had been outside a whole lot and the neighborhood kids had been inside just playing, so I needed to sweep and just get some stuff picked up. I had also just ran to the Dollar Tree so you can see some of the products I've got. Dollar Tree actually has a new Comet toilet cleaner you can see right there, and I'm going to test it out and see if I like it. And then I'm about to show you real fast. As soon as I get my sponges from the Dollar Tree, I go ahead and cut them in half and put them away so they're already ready to go. Here's my sweet girl taking the items that belong in her bathroom and putting them away for me. Here I'm taking the rest of the bathroom products and putting them between my husband's bathroom and my bathroom. Like I mentioned before, we didn't spend too much time inside the house today, so it stayed fairly clean. So I'm just putting a few cups away that the girls used and then wiping down the countertops. I do not like going to bed with a messy house, so here we are just picking up a few things in the living room and making sure it's just tidy. That box my daughter had, we went to Walmart to see if they had any LOL dolls, and they didn't, but we were able to take the box that was empty so she can put all the ones she has in it. Here I'm going to vacuum my floors just real quickly. There was a lot of dead grass that got brought in from the girls running in and out, which is totally fine. And my floors really need to be mopped, but tomorrow's another beautiful day and I bet those girlies will be back, so I'm just gonna let it be for tonight. Daughter are going to tackle her bedroom. There's just some trash out from some gifts they opened from my daughter's birthday party that they were playing with, and then my daughter's back there putting away her LOL dolls for the night. And then I'm just going to go ahead and turn down her bed and turn on her lamp so I can turn the big light off and just start setting like a relaxing tone for the evening. My daughter is really into her dolls right now, so every night we get them undressed and put their jammies on, and then every morning when they wake up we get them redressed. So that's what we're doing right here. Here she is tucking her sweet babies into bed. Now in our bedroom, I'm gonna close the blinds and turn on the lamps. So once again, I can turn off the big light just to kind of set the calming mood. And I'm also turning down our sheets. I just love when it's time to go to bed that I can just crawl right into them. And of course, the day is not over until I've folded a load of laundry. Tonight it's towels, which is probably one of my most favorite things to fold. So that's what I'm doing right here. I get a ton of messages about my little dog right here, and just so you guys know, his name is Tiger. Now I'm just going to take all the folded towels and put them in all the places they belong, so into the bathrooms and into my kitchen. Okay, that's it for tonight. I'm getting my jammies, I'm putting them on, and then I'm going to get my daughter ready for bed and call it a day. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you again soon.